Yeah. Aside. Yo, my people, Big P back in the cut. Yo, what's happening? Today I got a special one, look, all tactical. Get me out here, the shooting range. Gonna do some airsoft. What's going on, bro? What's happening, people? What you saying, man? They're ready, yeah? So we got the professional out here. Come on, show the man how it's done in that. Come on. Sliding. We're getting retrieving barrels. Okay.
What day was that? I got unlimited lads. I don't need to.
Ooh, no, we're good. We're running out of pistol. Wait, I can see now. I couldn't see, and I was gonna scream the place down, and now I can see his peak for the ops.
Come on, really in the field and that. Field that. Armory. Come on. Everything.
ARP and them thing.
Really outside in the field. You ain't never been out outside in the field like this.
All of that. Really in the field. Come on. Get me. All of that. Come on. All that shit.
Ready for round 2.
Come on.
Yeah. You can't let man take.
Let me say that to camera.
Come on, say that to the vlog.
Make sure you put that in your clip as well, yeah?
Come on.
Most handsome fella you ever see.
Why for that? Why for that? Fire.
Wait, guys!
Outside. You outside? Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. My mum said aim for the top, so I aim for the top when I'm raising the blip. Bam. Fuck. Come on. Got the flash and the laser beam. Don't mess with him. Yeah, don't piss him off. Man found a spot, bro. Ah, you bugger.
He's good.
Ah, you fucking bastard.
Right, your Arsenal's looking peak.
Right.
Your Arsenal's looking peak.
Yeah.
How many show the camera, it's my vlogging, innit? Show the camera the Arsenal. Come on. Yeah. It's got like 4 wax in that.
This one.
Yeah.
I got this one.
Extended clip.
Yeah. I got another one of these. 18. Got SM9. And I got another M4 as well.
So in your AGL gang as well, yeah?
Come on, you know, innit?
Come on,
AGL.
AGL
all day, bro.
They had them on pressure a minute ago. They're on pressure now.
I've had them all.
Ooh.
You saying?
Had to run back, fam. I'm good though. I was reloading as well. Let's go, Jizza. Let's go.
Forward.
You're right side, yeah? I'm right side of you. You got guy in front. Who's our team? Our team. Right side's clear. Left side, I've not checked. Up with the watch tower.
In the watchtower still.
Yeah, watch tower. He's still in the watch tower.
We're going left,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go half left.
They're gonna start taking over these buildings. I need to get my car there, bro. Is that what you did? Come, we need to get my car there. Come.
I'm with you on the left. So me rolling up. Yeah, but he's all the way down there. He's all the way down there.
Man, with the drum kit, with the drum man,
Don't know what I'm on, bro.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, so there we have it, my people. Yesterday was lit at the Airsoft in Croydon. So yeah, a big shout out to the guys that came, obviously Mike's, Jimmy, Cash, big shout out to them. It was lit for hooking it up once again. But yeah, man, if you like this kind of content, this short short videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and let me know. Because you know yesterday we done bear drillings. So yeah, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You get me?